Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by making tools reliable. Install Homebrew, then Python 3. 11 or newer with Brew so paths behave. Once done, download and open Visual Studio Code and go straight to extensions. Install the Microsoft Python extension and enable auto-detection of interpreters. This links linting, formatting, and debugging. You should also set your default shell to ZSH in terminal. Then open a project folder in VS Code so the editor can create workspace settings automatically. Now you configure the environment. Click the interpreter selector in the status bar and choose a venv or virtualenv inside your project so dependencies stay isolated. Next, set black as the formatter and flake 8 or Pylint for linting in workspace settings so consistent style is enforced. Then set up debugging by adding a launch. JSON, include environment variables and the working directory. Make sure the terminal uses the same interpreter and run a short test script to verify everything works. Finish by running and testing. Use run and debug, set breakpoints, and watch variables to confirm program flow. Once done, add tasks. JSON to automate linting, formatting, and test runs so you save time. To finalize, commit workspace settings and optionally install Python-related snippets. If something breaks, check your path and that the venv is activated in the integrated terminal. If issues persist, reload the window and reopen the folder to force the Python extension to rescan interpreters.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.